Today mainly we will discuss that MCQ based on that acid base and salt chapter, that class 10 ICSE chemistry. First one, see which of the following is hydrocide. Now classification of that acid is very important for your board exam, so try to remember that classification. Now hydrocide, say now hydrogen and any non-metal other than oxygen when combined they form hydrocide. Now all halogen acid are hydrocide. HCl, HBr, HI, HF, all these are hydrocide. And another one is oxyacid. Now hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, oxyacid. Sulfuric acid, phosphoric acid, nitric acid, all these are oxyacid. So in that case, that correct answer is hydrochloric acid. Next, dash is formed along with carbon dioxide and water when nitric acid reacts with sodium carbonate. Now that one, see property of dilute acid. Okay, now when dilute acid that reacts with carbonate, it form key salt plus CO2 plus water. So in that case it reacts with nitric acid, so it will form nitrate salt. So the correct answer is sodium nitrate. If it reacts with nitric acid, it will form nitrate salt. If it reacts with sulfuric acid, it forms sulfate. It based on which acid we are using. Next, mineral acid, which we derive from that mineral. See that sulfuric acid, nitric acid, phosphoric acid, all these are mineral acid. Okay, generally mineral acid are strong acid. So what is the correct answer? Sulfuric acid. Common element present in all acid, hydrogen. Okay, correct answer is hydrogen. Next, which of the following indicators shows no change in acid? Phenolphthalein. Now see, one table is given that different that indicator, what is their color in neutral medium, acid medium, basic medium. Try to remember. Phenolphthalein, see neutral colorless, in acid colorless, in basic that violet. Okay, methyl orange, see neutral orange, in basic yellow, in that acid pink. So that see onion, this one natural indicator. Okay, blue litmus acid, so that red, that actually blue litmus in acid turn red, and red litmus in acid turn blue. Actually original color of the litmus is violet. Next, that antacid. Now okay, what is the use of antacid? It used to neutralize that acid, so its property is basic. Caustic alkali, caustic means corrosive in nature, so which is harmful. Okay, now sodium hydroxide, this one corrosive in nature, so that's why it is called caustic alkali. Alkali means water soluble. Acid changes orange color of methyl orange to, just we discuss, pink. Blue litmus red, so pH that will be less than 7. Less than 7 acidic, more than 7 basic, 7 neutral. So blue litmus red, that will be less than 7. Now dissolution of acid or base. Now always exothermic in nature. Dissolution of acid and base, that is exothermic in nature. It produces heat energy. Which of the following will not produce an acid when made to react with water? Now see, carbon monoxide, because this is neutral oxide. Neutral oxide does not produce acid when reacts with water, but other three, see carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, these are acidic oxide, so they react with water to form acid. Vapor density of carbon dioxide. Now see, molecular weight equal to 2 into vapor density. Molecular weight equal to 2 into vapor density. So molecular weight of carbon dioxide 44, so the vapor density is 22. Now try to remember the molecular weight of common compound like calcium carbonate 100, then nitric acid 63, okay, sulfuric acid 98, okay, HCl 36.5, NaOH 40. Try to remember. Okay, water 18. Next, which is not alkali? Now see, water soluble base are called alkali. So which one is not water soluble? No, zinc hydroxide. Zinc hydroxide water insoluble. Okay, gelatinous white precipitate. So that one, it is not an alkali. Acid having basicity 1. Now basicity means number of replaceable hydrogen per molecule. Remember that, per molecule. Carbonic acid H2CO3, 2 replaceable hydrogen, dibasic. Acetic acid, 1 replaceable hydrogen, although contain 4, but it is 1 replaceable because that 3 hydrogen which attach with carbon, that one not replaceable. Only the hydrogen attached with oxygen, that is replaceable. So it is monobasic acid. Oxalic acid, COOH bond COOH, so dibasic. Sulfuric acid also dibasic. Volatile acid that obtained when nitre. Nitre means in nitrate salt, that is called nitrate. Okay, actually potassium nitrate, sodium nitrate, that is called nitre. So which acid? Nitric acid. Lab preparation of nitric acid, you will get that term, nitre. Insoluble base obtained reacts with iron 3 chloride, that is iron 3 hydroxide. Remember their color. Okay, it is in that analytical chemistry, second part of that acid base salt chapter, that second part. Okay, analytical chemistry, detection of cation by using that ammonium hydroxide and sodium hydroxide. Remember that balance chemical equation as well as that color. So here iron 3 red is brown, iron 2 hydroxide, that is dirty green. Next, salt form when sulfuric acid reacts with excess caustic soda. That means complete neutralization. So complete neutralization means sodium sulfate. If partial neutralization, it forms acid salt, bisulfate. Complete neutralization because base is excess. So complete neutralization, sodium sulfate, neutral salt. Acid salt. Just to discuss replaceable hydrogen. So disodium hydrogen phosphate, Na2H PO4, disodium. Acid salt, see, it is very easy to identify. Having replaceable hydrogen. See, complex salt, acid salt, then basic salt, and that what is called addition salt. Okay, try to remember that and that example. Example are very important. Okay, few salt are given, identify that, classify them. Okay, this type of question. Soluble salt, calcium chloride. Now see solubility of salt. One chart is table is given. Try to remember that. Silver chloride, Cuddy white precipitate, lead sulfate, that white precipitate, calcium sulfate, milky white precipitate, calcium chloride, that is soluble. Atomicity, whose vapor density equal to relative atomic mass. Now see, vapor density, molecular weight equal to 2 into vapor density. Now vapor density equal to atomic mass. So 2 into atomic mass, that is molecular weight. So the atomicity is 2. What is atomicity? Number of atom present in that per molecule. Okay. Okay, so okay, student, to this much.